Good afternoon, viewers. I'm here heading north on Lacson Street in Bacolod City. Today I'm doing a construction update. There's quite a lot of construction going on the north side of Lacson Street, and the first couple of places which are going up, which I'm not exactly sure what they are, is going to be on 6th Street, just down the side of McDonald's. Just passing the lagoon now on the left side. Here you've got KFC, Jollibee and McDonald's. If you turn right at McDonald's, this is 6th Street. And here it is, 6th Street. Up here they had the first condo block to be built, which is on the right, Cityscapes. There's two other big buildings being built here. This one on the left, and an even bigger one straight on, which I'll show you in a minute. Here it is, a 5-story building which is going to be built apparently. Doesn't say what it is. Could it be another hotel? Who knows? It's too small to be a mall. Could just be an office block, I suppose. And a little bit further down there's this new building just opposite Skyscapers. So more big buildings on 6th Street. Right, now to get back on Lacson Street. And the next new building up here is next to the Bank of Commerce and Shakey's Pizza. Here you've got Cedar Hotel on the left, the best hotel in the city now. And right here next to the Bank of Commerce is another big building going up. It's already got 4 floors. Looks like it could be building more. And a little bit further up Lacson Street, just behind Starbucks coffee shop, is the next place I'm going to show you, which apparently, rumours are this is going to be a new hotel. There it is, that big building at the left in the background. And it doesn't really look very finished, to be honest. A little bar area there. And just opposite, this big new building, which is going to be a new hotel apparently. It's going to be a big hotel when it's finished, that's for sure. But it looks a long way from finished. Progress on this building seems pretty slow, to be honest. And further up Lacson Street, next to Cafe Bob's, is this new building, which is rumoured to be the new showroom, the new Negros showroom, selling all local products. And it looks pretty finished actually. Not too long till it's open, I doubt. And now, back on Lacson Street, we're heading straight north. Here at the junction with Ramos, North Drive. And these two buildings straight ahead. There's a lot of progress on these two, that's for sure. And the one on the right is the Citari, which is going to be more than 20 floors. It's going to be the tallest building in the city. Anybody who's got a condo up there is going to have a fantastic view, that's for sure. You'll be able to see the mountains and the sea, and right the way down Lacson Street. And opposite the Citari is a new hotel called the Grand Zing. And that seems to be getting taller as well. And here's the Citari on the right. And they're up to about the 20th floor apparently. It's that high you can barely even see the top. Soon to be the tallest building in the city, the Citari building. And right opposite that, this is the Grand Zing, which is going to be a hotel and commercial spaces. That's also going to be a big building. The next stop, the new Cybergate, just behind the Robinsons Mall. These two buildings on the left, O residences, seem pretty complete now. They even have palm trees on the top. Seems to be quite a lot of people staying there at the moment. Just behind O residences and Robinsons Mall. Come on guys, give way. Nope, no one's giving way. Right, I'll go around this way. And at the back of Robinsons Mall, there's a new Cybergate being built. This is also going to be another big building apparently. I think they're up to the 4th or 5th floor already. And they certainly haven't stopped at that. It's already bigger than Robinsons Mall. This Robinson's Place Mall was the first mall built in the city. It's currently under renovation. There's quite a lot going on here. Got a Go Hotel. I'm not sure if that's open at the moment with the current world situation. And at the back of the mall here is the new Cybergate. I've no idea when that's going to be finished, but it's certainly a long way off. It's going to be a huge building. Robinson Cybergate. Very convenient for the mall, that's for sure. There's the mall right opposite. It should also increase the amount of people hanging around in Robinsons Mall, which has got a lot of competition these days with Ayala, SM. So good luck to Robinsons with this new Cybergate. And here we are back on Lacson Street again. Next place I'm going to have a look at is those three huge towers. Messiveri, the Row, and the Citadines, which is all in one area. Also with a small mall being built in front of them, right on the highway. Shopping. It's going to be a big area around here, and those three condos are huge. This area is really going to change when all this is finished. The new look city with skyscrapers everywhere going up. Here it is from the other side. There's the new mall and restaurant area built just in front of these three big condos. So the city is changing fast. That's an update on the new construction projects going on. And here's the new Vista Mall. The two restaurants are open, but everything else is on delay at the moment until April the 4th. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. There'll be more videos posted very soon.